Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are great. Alhamdulillah. Today I am back with a new lesson. The story of Madras Presidency. The city of Madras, now known as Chennai, was the capital of the presidency. It was under the British rule until 1947. The Madras state consists of 4 regions. It was officially renamed as Tamil Nadu in the year 1969. Let us learn more about these 4 regions. Let us start with Madras. The modern districts of Chennai, Tiruvallur and Kanjipuram constituted the Madras district. The British bought a part of the land from the Nayak rulers in the year 1639. They built Fort St. George and named the area Madarasapattinam. Next, Gudiyam Caves. They are the rock shelters in South India and are known for their prehistoric stone tools and evidence of human living nearby 2 lakh years ago. Next comes Mamallapuram. It was created by the Pallava dynasty. It has many rock sculptures and it is declared by UNESCO as a World Heritage Site. Next is Uttiramerur. It is an ancient Chola village which is located in Kanjipuram district. The temple inscriptions of Uttiramerur are notable for their historical descriptions of rural self-governance. Next, let's learn about North Arcot. The modern districts of Vellore and Tiruvannamalai constituted the North Arcot district. Vellore Fort. It is an ancient fort built in 1566 by Chinnabommi Nayak and Timmareddy Nayak. Next, Vainubapu Observatory. It is an astronomical observatory which is located at Kavalur. This is the biggest observatory in Asia. Next, let's learn about South Arcot district. The modern districts of Viluppuram and Kadalur constituted the South Arcot district. Oroville is an experimental township in Viluppuram district near Puducherry. It is a place where people from all over the world come and live together to build a culture of unity. Next comes Jinji Fort. Jinji Fort, or also called as Senji Fort, is one of the beautiful forts in Tamil Nadu. This fortress is built across 3 hillocks in Viluppuram district. The British called this fort as Troy of the East. Porto Nova, also called as Parangipettai, is situated in Kadalur district. The first iron and steel industry of India was located at Porto Nova in 1830. That's it from region 1. Next, let's move on to region 2. First, let's look at Salem. The modern districts of Salem, Dharmapuri, Krishnagiri and Namakkal constituted the Salem district. The name Salem is derived from the word Salem. It means an area surrounded by mountains. Mettur Dam, also called as Stanley Reservoir, was constructed across the river Kaveri in 1934. Aganakkal is one of the waterfalls located in Dharmapuri district. Boat riding on a coracle made of bamboo is an attraction here. Hosur is an industrial city located in Krishnagiri district. Next comes Coimbatore. During British India, the Coimbatore district comprised the modern districts of Coimbatore, Erode, Tirupur, the Nilgiris and a part of Dindigul. Coimbatore is called as the Manchester of South India. Animalai Wildlife Sanctuary is located in the Coimbatore district. It is now called as Indira Gandhi Wildlife Sanctuary and National Park. Erode district is famous for the production of handloom, power loom and ready-made garments. Next comes Nilgiris. The Nilgiris was a place of special attraction for the Europeans because of its natural charm and pleasant climate. The Dabeta is the highest peak in the Nilgiris and it is the fourth highest peak in South India. The queen of hill stations, Udagamandalam, better known as Ooty, is most popular hill station in South India. Ooty was the summer capital of the Madras Presidency. John Sullivan, the district collector of Coimbatore, is credited for developing the beautiful hill station of Ooty. That's it, dears. But before we end, let's sum up. Mamallapuram was created by the Pallava dynasty. Mamallapuram is declared by UNESCO as a World Heritage Site. The Vainu Bapu Observatory is the biggest astronomical observatory in Asia. Jinji Fort is also called as Troy of the East. Porto Nova is also called as Parangipetai. Mettur Dam is also called as Stanley Reservoir. The Dabeta is the highest peak in the Nilgiris. Auroville is an experimental township in Virupuram district. Ooty is called as Queen of Hill Stations. Hope you all understood. Thank you. Jazakallahu khair. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuhu.